Hello, everyone. My name is Tequila Martin. I am the site coordinator for Above and Beyond students here at Oakdale Elementary. Above and Beyond Students is a free tutoring and after-school program. We offer daily homework assistance and support with Canvas learning. We also have qualified teachers and staff, virtual enrichment, character development, and also social and emotional education. If you're interested in enrolling your child in the Above and Beyond here at Oakdale, you can reach me at Tequila, Takela, Martin, Martin, at cms.k12.nc.us. Or you can call me at 980-275-9725. Look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye-bye.